Hello, my name is Luz and welcome to my channel. Today I will be doing a look inspired by some images that I found on Pinterest. I'll be popping them right here. So as you can see, I already got my eyebrows done. So I will be focusing first on the face and then I will be moving on with the eyes, and then I will be using these pearls all over my face. So for today, I will be using the e.l.f. Poreless Putty Primer. I know this is a dupe for the Tatcha Silk Canvas and actually does a pretty good job. I have not yet tried it. Hopefully in the future I will. But honestly, it works really good to just make your pores seem more seamless. So definitely approve of this. It has worked on me. So if you really want your pores to be less emphasized, I think you should try this and see how it goes, you know? I usually like to use a translucent powder afterwards. The reason being is because I have really oily skin. I'll be taking my Airspun loose face powder, so to just help a little bit with the oil. I take a big fluffy brush and you just take a little bit of the excess. You don't want too much. You just press it down on the areas where you get really oily. I layer my my powders because since I have oily skin, I'm trying to stop as much oil coming through. So yeah, there, just to remove the hair because it can get in the way. For today, I'll be using the Bare Minerals Bare Pro Performance Wear Liquid Foundation in the color Pecan 18. This one is a little more dark because it was more of my summer foundation from last year. So I'll be using a sponge. Okay, well this is off to a great start. There we go. Oh god, I just ripped the shirt. Yeah, it's a little more tan. It's okay. Let me remove this. Yeah, I changed my shirt. Some mouth, you know, things happen. I will be taking my Tarte Shape Tape concealer in the color light medium. Now I'm gonna use the sponge again and blend the concealer. I'm gonna be using the Wet n Wild contour cream and the color Where's Walnut. It's not the best shade. Where did I found this? I believe in Five and Below. They had it really cheap. Well, I mean, it's Wet n Wild, but it was cheaper. The shade is okay. I do want to invest on better because it can be a little drying and kind of hard to blend at times. I also don't know if it's also because I had it for almost like a year and a half. That could also be a big reason why. But yeah, maybe the Fenty Beauty cream. Those are bronzers, but you can work those out as well with as a contour. Maybe investing on those. But yeah, any recommendations? Let me know for a cream contour. It might look crazy, but I usually go with a wet sponge. Okay, so I use two powders because I use them for two different things. I use the Derma Blend Loose Setting Powder to set my under eyes because it gives us that seamless look under the eye, and just to set my whole face I use the Airspun. So I'll use the Real Techniques. And I usually, when I get the powder, I kind of put it in the back of my hand just so I, you know, distribute the product. Kind of grab a little bit of a good amount. The Airspun. Press it to the skin. It's looking pretty matte, so I might end up just going with the Hula. With the bronzer does help a lot if you distribute a good amount. If you know, it does give you that ghosted look at times. But when I applied it, I don't swipe, I just tap it into the skin. So it doesn't, sometimes, because when you do that, you sometimes can't remove. It depends also on the foundation and how you layer. Foundation can be removed from the skin, so I like to just tap it. My eyes, I'm not quite sure what I want. I know a little bit of what type of color I'm looking for. So I'll be mixing some palettes. So we're gonna be zooming in closer to my eye so you guys can see what I'm doing here. I'm gonna be using the Tarte Shape Tape to prime my eye. And then I set it with my powder. I use a Coty Airspun to set it. So for the eye, since I'm gonna be using these sunflower pins that I did, I got these flowers and the pins at Michael's. Kind of want to use sort of the tones that are in this sunflower, you know. So we got some yellows, browns, orange, and reds, but I don't think I'm gonna dive into the reds though. We'll see. Let's see what we got here. I'm gonna be using the between those two because it has really nice colors that I want to try out. So I'll be using the Soft Glam palette by ABH and the Amrezi, if I'm saying it correctly. If I'm not, I'm so sorry. The Amrezi ABH palette. So I'll be taking first the Soft Glam right here. All over the lid, just to set a base, right? Taking this all over the lid. Taking it a little more heavy. I mean, those deep colors, you still have that highlight right there, you know, that defines the brow bone a little bit more. Yeah, I just tap it, swipe it a little bit, but most of all, I just tap the color in the eye. I forgot. Oh my god, did you see it? Why didn't you remind me? Oh my god, I was supposed to set the other one. I didn't. Oh my god. So I'm gonna do like a half cut crease. That would be cute, right? Half cut crease. We're taking the color Orange Soda right here, and I will be using a fluffy brush that came with it and just putting it all over the crease lightly. I'm gonna go with the Amrezi palette. I'm going to dig in on the OG shade right here, and I'm probably gonna put it lower where the orange was, just a little lower. So you kind of want to tilt your head back a little bit and lightly. Oh wow, kind of, it's a little intense, right? Just lightly blend it. Oh, there we go. Okay, I like it. This is actually my first time trying these out on my eyes. These were given to me as my birthday present by my really, really good friends. So I'm gonna be taking the Jaclyn Hill Vault palette, right? I don't know if it was one of the Vault palettes, but the Jaclyn Hill Ring the Alarm palette. Can do between Rush and Mugshot probably. We'll see how it goes. And I want to concentrate it on this, yeah, on this area right here. You know what, more towards the middle, like blending it the outside and then bringing it in halfway in. And then we're gonna go with a darker color on the outer corner. Like that. Not bad. I think I used this palette, if I'm not mistaken, in one of my looks on Instagram. If you guys want to check out my Instagram, it'll be down in the link below, down in the description below. So. Now I will be taking the darker alert right here. Just a little more, like deep in that bottom corner. I'll be taking the color Mugshot right there and try to blend it right here because I want a little bit more brown though, I think. We'll see how that works out. I'm gonna attempt to do a half cut crease. So let me go ahead and try to do a cut crease and I'll be back. So for the shimmer part, I will be going back into the Soft Glam palette. I'll be taking Fairy. Hey guys, this is voiceover Luz. Yes, my microphone failed me, but it's okay. Let's continue. As you can see, I have my lashes on. I am using the Style Ardell Naked Lashes, Style 421, and I will be blending my real lashes with the Mary Kay mascara. And as you can also see, I blended seamlessly the shimmer with the shadow, so it can look nice. Now we'll be taking the Tarte Amazonian Clay blush in the shade Party. For highlighter, I will be using the Dose of Colors desi&katy collection, the shade Fuego, one of my favorites. Look at that, yes. Gold Dreams, guys. One of my favorites. If it's still available, please go ahead and give it a shot. Now here, I will be moving on to putting to work these pearls. I actually did not have a lot of trouble putting them in my face. I was very afraid of that, but I succeeded on that, so yes. I'll be taking these pearls. I'm trying to find out where exactly I want them, so I went back on Pinterest to see where I can get an idea from the pictures that I find inspiration. As you can see, trying to grab some ideas and put them together and see what I can come up with, you know? So yeah, so I went in and did a pearl, 3 or 4 pearls if I'm not mistaken, under the eye, one big one in the middle, and 2 medium ones, or 1 medium one on each side. under the eye. And then I went in and put small ones on the bridge of my nose. There you go. I was afraid that I was not gonna look cute, but I actually do. Wow. Give me a little bit of Bobo vibes. What do you guys think? One in the middle, yeah, one in the middle of the eyebrows, I guess. Yeah, very close to the lash line. I mean, to the corner of my eye. I was very afraid of that. Or the glue. Now I'm trying to see where else I want to place them. So, yeah, on the top of the brow. Very nice. Two middle ones and little small ones. There we go. Yeah, that helped a lot. The back of the brush, just to push the pearl so it doesn't fall off. That really helped. I added a little bit more pearls, a little bit more on the bridge of the nose, and some on the chin area. I feel like it was missing something. Now I'm going in with the Il Makiage Carli Bybel collection in the shade Libra. Very beautiful nude. Highly recommended if it's still available. I feel like I need a little bit more, so I'm going in with a lip gloss. Dose of Colors lip gloss. Now I'm styling a little bit my hair, because now I'm moving on to the last part, which is the sunflowers. Now I'm just positioning them where I really want them. Wow. Very nice. So yeah. This is the finished product. What do you guys think? I like it a lot. Something different. I incorporated the pearls and the sunflowers, doing a combination of both to see, and I think I accomplished it pretty good. So to finish this video off, thank you for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Subscribe for more content. I'll be leaving down in the description box the products that we're using on my face. Follow me on my Instagram. I will be linking it down on the description. Please let me know also what you think of this look down on the comment section below. Until next time.